Your joints need soothing. Baby, I'm not fooling. Don't worry. I'm going to give you my love. My energy wizard love. Like a magical guitar riff from Jimmy Page, your joints are about to be electrified with healing energy. Hi, I'm Kristen. Welcome to the See Your Wellbeing channel. I'm your energy wizard, inspiring, enabling you to sense, engage, and express more energy and joy with Qigong and self-care practices. And today we are going to electrify your upper body and also give you a little bit of nice lubrication for those joints. When energy gets stuck in the joints, which the major articulations of the body, it can manifest as pain and discomfort. So today let's give a little bit of relief to that. All right, one of the quickest ways to energize your hands is by rubbing your fingernails together. So we're going to rub the fingernails and first knuckle back and forth vigorously. And if this is your first time practicing with me, you're going to feel your Qi like that magical guitar riff in moments. And if you want to bring someone who's never practiced Qigong before, like, what is Qi? It's energy. This is one of the greatest exercises you can do to instantaneously feel. Let's rub it just a little bit longer. This invisible energy inside of you is waking up. Pause for a moment. Hands at your side. Oh yeah. Whew. So with Qigong, what we want to do when we begin our practice is to activate or enliven, awaken this energy. And then we can circulate it through the body with some stretches and flows. So from here, let's continue with one of my favorites. I call this Italian Qigong, palms up. And you're going to shake the wrists back and forth vigorously, creating some more energy in the wrists. Yeah. So activation usually involves like rubbing, shaking. Those are great types of activations, like turn on the light switches. Yeah. All right, palms down. And it's mighty cold out today, so I gotta get some energy flowing, warmth and heat in my wrists and fingers. Yeah, down. All right, now tap the inside of the hands together. This is actually really great for activating the energy through the neck and the back. Some nice deep breaths in. Yeah, and now let's activate some energy around the thumb area. My dad's had some work on his thumb, so this one's for you, Daddy-O. Make a fist with one hand, and you're gonna knock right between thumb and first finger, knocking that acupressure point. It's for the large intestine. Great for pain, headaches, back and forth. So activation, let's do the other side. And you can pick any one of these and do it for 30, 60 seconds. Walk away, come back, feel what you feel. Just activating, great for also people who type a lot. These first few exercises for the hands. Or maybe text a lot, I should say. All right, release the arms by your side. Just feel that buzzing and tingling. It's like effervescence. Now let's just open and close the hands at the side, fists and release. Yeah. Open and close. We're activating the ends of the meridians, and when those ends are active, that energy can then flow through the entire system. Now, shake for me, girl. Shake for me. Another reference. Whole lot of love. Giving those joints a whole lot of love. Just shaking in the hands vigorously, waking up the energy. So all that activation, now we're going to circulate it. So just taking the hands, I call this the magician's or magical Qi. So just going to take the hands, magical web of energy. You're spiraling that magical web, wiggling the fingers, the thumbs. In one direction, relax your shoulders, relax your neck. You don't want to take on any excess tension in the neck and the shoulders. And then now let's go the other way. Great for people also who have arthritis in the fingers, wrists. Yeah. All right, now interlace the fingers and let's do a little roll action. So drop the left arm down, get a little stretch first, and drop the right arm down. Stretching in the hands, stretching in the wrists. And then we're just going to do a little rolling. Rolling with my homies. My Qigong homies. All right, notice which direction you're rolling in, and can you go in the other direction? I have it on video to see if I actually did it right now. Back and forth, wrists. Great for carpal tunnel, great for golfers. Tennis players, this whole sequence is going to be great for those. We do a lot of activity that focuses on the upper body. All right, now let's take this and let's activate some energy in the elbows. So just a light loose fist. Let's come to the outside of the elbow, knocking on the outside of the elbow. Another point on the large intestine meridian. It's called the acupressure antibiotic point. Great for this time of year when I'm filming this in the fall. Just get that energy moving in and out healthfully. Let's tap the inside of the elbow now. Lungs. Deep breath. Inside of the elbow, you're getting heart and pericardium. Yeah. Now we want to circulate that energy through. So you can just cup your elbow and just make a nice little circle with the elbow. Whole lot of love. Oh yeah. That's my circulation. Let's take the other side. Tapping on the outside of the elbow. Oh, this one feels a little bit tender to me today. You know, when you feel some tenderness in the acupressure points, that can be a sign that Qi or energy is stagnant in those points. So tapping helps to, again, I said, wake up that energy. Now inside of the elbow, we got the lungs, deep breath. Right in the center of the elbow, I should say. Now outside of the elbow, rather inside, I'm looking at myself backwards, heart pericardium. Deep breath. All right, let's get a little circle. Whole lot of love. You can get a little shake on here. Get the energy moving. Yeah. Golfers, tennis players, I'm giving you some love today. Now let's work on shoulders. Again, for golfers and tennis players, step back with your left foot and just bend your front knee slightly. Allow that right arm to shake down. Shake for me, girl. Shake from the elbow, or shake from the elbow, shake from the shoulder. The other arm can just hang there. Just activating, feeling that movement in the shoulder. And now we're gonna lean, shift the weight back and circle the right shoulder back. Lean forward and circle back. Just imagine you have this warm oil moving through the shoulder. Oh yeah. Circle. This would be a great warm-up prior to racket sports, golf. Yeah. Get your friends in on it. What you doing? Qigong, baby. Yeah. My My dad still can't believe that I do this weird thing, and he says, I can't even pronounce it. And I said, Dad, just tell people Qigong. Like Qigong crazy. Right. This would actually be good for guitar players as well. Step forward, switch legs. Drummers. Oh yeah, we can get some musicians going on here. Shake it, shake it. Whole lot of love in the shoulders, shake it. Yeah, now lube it up. Yeah. And you can even get a little action in the torso. It's nice to get a little rotation from the hips. Lower body joint love coming soon, depending on when you're watching this. Yeah. Ah, nice, nice. Nice warm lubrication through the shoulder. All right, come back to center and pause for a moment. Just feeling that warm energy moving through the joints of the upper body. Yeah. Now we're going to activate our hands in a slightly different way before we do one final self-healing practice for our joints. Let's take the palms. You're standing here now with your feet about shoulder width apart, knees softly bent, palms down towards the earth. And so we're going to connect it to the earth energy. So feeling the energy of the earth rise up into the palms. Taking a deep breath into your low belly. Just feeling the sparkling sensation of the earth moving up into the palms. And then take the hands overhead, reaching up to the heavens, activating the energy in the palms from the energy above. Whole lot of love. Now we're going to take all of that energy and circulate it through the upper body with a little Qigong practice called Buddha Palm. So this is intended to, help you create this feeling of how you can actually guide and direct healing energy through your body, focusing specifically on the upper body today. So take your left hand floating right in front of the belly. Right hand just out to the side, extended. We're going to draw this energy from your core, this lower dantian elixir field, and draw it up to the chest, the heart. And I'm going to take this healing energy and guide and direct it down the inside of your right arm. Hover for a moment over the elbow and have the intention of sending healing energy into the elbow joint. Guide and direct that energy down towards the wrist, down to the inside of the palm. Healing energy to the palm, the hands, the fingers. Turn the hand over, and we're going to guide that energy up the outside of the arm. Very slow. Come back to the center, down, returning to the belly. So go slow the first time, just so you can feel this transformation, this vibrancy growing inside of you. Draw the hand up, chest, heart, send a little love to those organs. And then down, maybe hold just slightly over that shoulder. So energy goes where the attention is directed. So energy follows attention. So when you can direct your energy and attention, your intention rather, into these specific joints, start gliding it down, you have this healing effect on your body, on your physical body, your mental, emotional. Guide down towards the wrist. Turn the palm over, glide up the outside of the arm. Elbow, shoulder. And let's come back. Let's do that 2 more times. A little circle, drawing the energy up from the core. Ooh, I feel a little love there. A whole lot of love. Draw up. And glide down. Hovering. And turn the hand over, up. Down, down, down to the center. Ooh, switch there for you. Guide up. Ah. You can become your own energy wizard. Give yourself the time for these practices. And just be curious. Be curious. That's the spirit of Qigong. What would happen one more time if I were to allow myself to even consider that I could have a healing effect on my body? And then, like those magical artists, Led Zeppelin, you can get into this flow of just being in the present moment and sourcing your healing from nature. Glide down the inside. Turn the palm over, glide up the outside. Back down to center. And pause for a moment with your arms just resting gently at your side. Your joints are glowing. Let's inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Take palm over palm. I'm going to squat down. Palm over palm. Center of the palm, and you're just going to glide that down. Spiraling the hands at the chest down towards the low belly. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, reach up. It's a different version of pulling down the heavens, palm over palm. Guiding this healing energy from above, down, down, down. Again, in. Exhale. One more, in. Exhale, draw all of that energy down into the low belly and store it here. Your energetic bank account. This magical elixir for healing yourself resides right here. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, consider subscribing so that you can enjoy these magical practices anytime you want. And comment below to let me know what type of a practice you're interested in. If it's a specific area of the body or a type of energy you're trying to invite in, let me know, because you guys, this is why I'm here. Thank you so much. Be well.